So in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can slice and add a new vertex over your pre-existing model on your UV workspace on the Blender. So just first simply open the Blender, and this is the UV workspace, and this is the basic 3D model on which I've been working. Now to slice and add some more vertices over a model, just simply on this left window you need to scroll down until you find this icon of knife. When I click there, now you're gonna see the mouse has been changed to a knife, and now I just simply need to draw the changes that I want to made over there. And once I do that, for example if I did this, now you're gonna see these are some of the more vertices that have been added to this particular 3D model, and now these are going to be added as a new vertices, so I can just simply make changes over them also. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials all in your way. See you in the next one. Take care.